Hey traders, once again welcome to Systematic Trading World YouTube channel. This current series we are focusing about trade via TradingView email alerts. This is the second part of the series where we are going to cover up the implementation of the process through AliceBlue broker. So if you have a AliceBlue account, then proceed easily. If you do not have an account, then please consider creating an account through the link provided in description. Friends, in the first part, we have discussed about the entire algorithm and shared the code to our GitHub page. If you haven't covered the part, then please watch and get back to the second video. Link in description and I button itself. Now let's get into the steps first, then we are going to the scripting part. So in the first step, we need to connect to the AliceBlue broker. AliceBlue already have its own SDK in Python available. You can use it with pip install and you can connect to the AliceBlue broker with your API credentials. In the step 2, you have to download the master contract for the National Stock Exchange. Let me remind you once again, this video is covering the trading via TradingView email alert into the cash market of Indian Stock Exchange. That's why it is required to download the master contract so that the symbols can be easily faced with minimalistic time. Then in the step 3, we need to mention the quantity we want to trade for that particular script. Next, we need to mention the order fetching API and code inside the script, which I have already discussed in the previous video. The entire script is provided. You just need to mention the order fetching API codes. Then in the fifth step, we need to go to the TradingView account and search for a cash market stock in the NSE segment, and we will put a strategy into that, and in that strategy we need to specify an alert with prefix and postfix strings. Prefix and postfix strings are most important part of this implementation that I have discussed in the previous video. In the part 1 video, you definitely cover it to understand in depthly what is the postfix and prefix string. Then in the next step, we simply run the script and enjoy the executions automatically. Now let's dive into the modified Python script for AliceBlue implementation and review the steps we have discussed. This is the Python script, and first of all we need to import the AliceBlue API, and before that we need to pip install Paya A3. Then the next step is we are connecting to the AliceBlue broker through this command and creating a Alice object. Through that Alice object, we are downloading the NSE master contract. Next, we are mentioning the quantity in which we want to trade. You can mention the quantity according to you. Here I have implemented one quantity for the testing purpose. Next, getting down to the code, and we have created a custom order function using that AliceBlue API to push our orders. Then we are getting to the API buy sell code section. We just need 2 lines of code, and these are 2 print statement. You can ignore this. This is the 2 lines of code. In one line we are fetching the instrument by the symbol name, and that symbol name is fetched through the alert ticker, and the exchange is also fetched to the alert exchange, which we will definitely going to cover up. Then an order variable is created with custom order function, where we are inputting the instrument, quantity, buy or sell option. It will be also getting fetched from the alert dict, and the action should be buy or sell, or according to that the buy or sell order will going to be executed in your broker account. Friends, one thing I forgot to mention you that you need to mention your API credential in the document details.py file. Here two more fields are added. These fields are pre-exist. Username and API key fields you need to add over here, and mention your AliceBlue ID and respective API key to connect to the API of AliceBlue. Once we finish up with this, let's go to the trading view screen and set up the prerequisites before starting the script. So we are getting into the trading view screen. Here by default Bank Nifty is opened, but we are going to trade in any cash market stocks. Let's say we are searching for Infosys. So you can simply type Infi and the Infosys Limited, we should note here it should be of NSE. We click here and get into the chart of Infosys. Here it is a 1 minute time frame. We need to add indicator. Let's say we are adding a strategy, not exactly the indicator. We are adding the super trend strategy. Super trend strategy we need to add, and for implementation and for simplicity, we are also adding the super trend indicator to see the negative and bullish and bearish lines of super trend. So those indicator are already added, and currently it is in unseen state. Let's show it. Now you can see the trading view super trend indicator is visible right now, and here is the Infi script. Once the market is going to be started, then we will see some movement and changing of trading of super trend indicator from green to red and red to green. In between that, I will going to show you how the system is going to react to this particular indicator a lot. So before starting up the market, we just need to run the script what we have created. This is the script. We just need to run the script, and once the script is started running, we will get the alerts as soon as it getting into our email box. Friends, next quickly set up the alert with proper alert string. Here in the right side we can click on the alert box, and here itself there will be a create alert option. From that we need to select super trend strategy, not super trend indicator. Once we select the super trend strategy, some predefined positions will be auto created over here. We need to delete that, and in the alert section we need to mention something like TV email alert. Okay, and I am pasting the alert message itself. This is the alert string, this is the prefix, and this is the postfix one. So this is the postfix one. Here there are 2-3 parameters are most needed to make the execution properly. The first one is the exchange from the trading view itself. Second is the ticker name. Third is the strategy order dot action. This really needed because we need to mention whether it is creating a buy signal or sell signal. Let me paste this particular thing into the script file. One second. This is a document utility file, and here we are placing that particular string. Let's see. Yeah, this is the particular string I have pasted over here. You can copy this string simply and change according to your indicator name. You can change this strategy name itself and other parameter as it is, but remember these are very important fields. First one is the strategy order dot action. Second one is the ticker name. Third one is the exchange. Okay, so after that we need to confirm that there will be send email boxes tick over here. It will send email alerts to your registered email ID, and then press on the create button. See, the alert is created over here. Once there will be a movement in the chart, the alert will respond accordingly. So let's wait for the market opening, and let me show you how the alert going to place the order in the market. Hey friends, I'm recording the video again. Once after the Indian market is open, let me take you to the charts itself. It is not the chart, we are looking for the chart over here itself. See, here it is the trading view chart itself. Here's the allot, few of the allots already generated, but we haven't connected to the script itself, so it is not being pushed to our account. Once we get a bearish allot over here, once the market crosses the super trend green line, it will generate a bearish signal on closing, and that is going to be fed into our broker account. How it is possible? Let's start the script initially. See, we are starting the script by pressing the run button. It will start immediately. Take a few seconds. Yes, it has been started. Now it will first ignore the unread messages first. There are 4 unread messages. It is ignoring that, and now it is ready to make things happen for us. See, the loop is continuing now. Little bit slower, no problem. We are shifting the allot messages over here, and I'm shifting the chart over here so that things can be very much clear to us, and wait for the market to cross the super trend line. Friends, market is near to the super trend green line and it may close below this. Yes, it has been closed and we may receive a lot over here. Yes, we have received an allot and an order will be placed to our account immediately. Yes, friends, see, there is an account in Infi is getting placed over here. See, if I refresh this page, you will get a order in Infi, executed order. See, this is the Infi price, 1546.9. We are getting executed the order once, and it is a short opportunity, I think. See, it is in a sell mode. If I go to the position section, you can see a sell position is initiated, -1 position, and it is a test quantity. That's why I have taken single quantity only. Once the market will again close above the super trend red line, we will going to get a square off of this position. Let's wait for that, friends. Market is right now near the red super trend. If it is closes above this level, then our position is going to be squared off. See, it is all, we are already having more than 32 seconds, 30 seconds in this candle, but the rejection happened from that place itself. Hopefully it will going to close above super trend, but only we have in hand is 18 to 20 second right now. Wait for that. Friends, that rejection come back and the market is unable to close above the red super trend line. Let's wait for more minutes. Friends, it is in the verge of closing above the super trend red line, means the position will going to be squared up because a buy signal will be pushed into our broker account. 6-7 seconds left for the closing of this candle. Yes, the allot has been generated. We can see the allot over here also. See, it is has been reflected and it is gone into our broker account. The position is squared up, and this is the entire process. I'm explaining you how to place order from trading view to our broker account using free email allot. This is one of the process, and you can modify the process also to take reverse order while taking the position. So this, that's all, friends. This is the entire video. Please comment below if you have any doubt regarding this. Thank you. Thanks a lot.